Welcome to our video on how to build a winning network marketing team. In this video, we will cover essential strategies to help you assemble and lead an effective network marketing team. We will discuss the importance of selecting the right individuals, providing them with adequate training and support, fostering a positive team culture, and setting achievable goals. By implementing these strategies, you will be on your way to creating a dynamic and successful network marketing team that not only meets but exceeds your business objectives. First and foremost, it's essential to find the right people who align with your vision and are driven to succeed. Focus on identifying individuals who are passionate about the business, as their enthusiasm will help propel the team's efforts. Additionally, seek out people who are coachable. This means they are open to learning new skills and strategies. Finally, prioritize candidates with a strong work ethic, as their dedication and resilience will be crucial for overcoming challenges and reaching collective goals. The combination of these qualities is fundamental for building a robust network marketing team. Providing effective training and consistent support is the next crucial step. Your team members need to have a thorough understanding of the products they are promoting, as well as a solid grasp of the business model. Equip them with the necessary skills to excel in their roles, whether it's through workshops, online courses, or one-on-one coaching. Consistent support is also key. Be available to answer questions, offer guidance, and provide encouragement. This combination of comprehensive training and ongoing support will empower your team to perform at their best and achieve outstanding results. Creating a positive and motivating team culture is fundamental for success. Encourage open communication to ensure team members feel heard and valued. This fosters trust and collaboration within the group. Celebrate achievements, both big and small, to keep morale high and demonstrate that hard work is recognized and appreciated. Additionally, cultivate a sense of community by organizing team-building activities and promoting a supportive environment. When team members feel connected and motivated, they are more likely to be productive, stay committed, and contribute to the overall success of the network marketing team. Setting clear goals and regularly tracking progress are critical for maintaining momentum and ensuring success. Start by helping your team members define their personal goals, making sure they are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Develop a system to monitor their growth, such as regular check-ins or performance dashboards. Provide constructive feedback and recognize accomplishments as milestones are reached. This approach not only keeps everyone accountable, but also motivates your team to stay focused and continuously improve. Celebrating successes along the way reinforces positive behaviors and drives the entire team towards collective achievements.